Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your money with BB&T easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your money with BB&T, start by visiting the official BB&T website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. If you don't have an online account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information and set your security questions. Once logged in, explore your account dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Check the Security Settings tab to ensure your account is secure. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. This requires you to enter a code sent to your mobile device whenever you log in. Next, review your recent transactions for any unauthorized activity. If you notice any suspicious transactions, report them immediately through customer support. Set up account alerts to monitor your balance and transactions in real time. Choose the types of alerts you want, such as low balance notifications or unusual transaction alerts. Regularly update your passwords to maintain account security. Avoid sharing your banking information with anyone, even friends or family. Consider using a secure password manager to keep your passwords safe. Download the BB&T mobile app for added convenience in managing your account. Enable fingerprint or facial recognition for quick and secure app access. Keep your devices updated with the latest security software. Always use a secure network when accessing your banking information. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for banking transactions whenever possible. Finally, educate yourself about common scams and phishing attempts targeting bank customers. Staying informed will help you make better decisions to protect your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.